Brickyard 4736, runway 33. That should be in November, Juliet Foxtrot, Holster 1.
November, Juliet Foxtrot, Holster 1, runway 33, Brickyard 4736.
Brickyard 4736, cross forward Juliet Mars Tower.
Cross forward Juliet Mars Tower, Brickyard 4736.
United 2003, runway 1, clear for takeoff, traffic 2 out.
Clear for takeoff, rolling United 2003.
Oh, United 2003, cancel takeoff clearance.
We're boarding takeoff, United 2003.
Delta 2476, go around, climb, maintain 3000.
3000, Delta 2476.
United 2003, exit the runway at taxiway Alpha.
Exit the runway at Alpha, United 2003.
Tower, Brickyard 4736.
Yeah, 4736, go ahead.
Yeah, just making sure we did have clearance across that runway, right?